Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Pune location. We will see what are the job openings available one by one. We will discuss in detail. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Your Brokers Online Services Private Limited. They are looking for back office executive. This is only for male candidates. Salary offered minimum 16,000 to up to 20,000 a month. You can see there is a official website address links provided here. You can browse it and check with the company details and everything. And qualification, if you see, should be a graduate like BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA or BE. All these qualifications are eligible, and freshers are eligible. Up to 2 years of experience also will be considered. You should have a good English and English reading and writing communication skills, and you should be able to work with flexibility. Training will be provided by the company itself, and there is some benefits also. You can check with that. Paid leaves, weekly off, like that. There is some accommodation facilities are there. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8830063155. Next, there is a job openings for FTRS Pune. They are looking for back office coordinator. This is only for female candidates, and this is working from option is there. Salary offered up to 8,000 a month. This is a healthcare firm. You should have a knowledge of Marathi and Hindi, and only female candidates are eligible. And you can check with the other details here. There will be a 8 hours shift, and you should have a own computer, Windows 8 or 10 version. You should have good internet connection and smartphone as well. And this is work from home option is there. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9960555010. Next, there is a job openings for Study Metro Private Limited. They are looking for telecaller cum back office assistant. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month. Qualification, if you see, should be 12th and above. You should have a knowledge of computers and should be able to respond promptly, and you should have a knowledge of tally as well. That will be preferred. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9107399999. Next, there is a job openings for Vadi makers. They are looking for MIS officer. Vacancy is available. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 20,000 a month. You can see there is a job description details provided here. You can check with that. Detailed information available, and there is also official contact address details provided here, and the contact number is there, and email ID also available. Contact number is 0202435950, and email ID is stores@brand-bucket.com, and there is address details also available. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Tayal coaching classes. They are looking for receptionist or administration assistant. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You should have a good communication skills, and you should have a good convincing skills via phone as well as face to face as well. You should have a knowledge of typing technical sheets like that, and you should be able to work with sincerity. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. I have also provided the official address details here. You can check with that. Contact number is 0808720534. Next, there is a job openings for computer operator for the organization Tejas Constructions and Infrastructure Private Limited. Salary offered up to 8,000 a month. Qualification, if you see, should be a BSc graduate computer science. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. I have also included the official address details here. You can check with that. Contact number is 9766160786, and email ID is hr@tcipl.co.in. Next, there is a job openings for D. Haridas and Company, a unit of Advanced Lab Private Limited. They are looking for receptionist come admin executive. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 20,000 a month. You should have a knowledge of different laboratory products used in labs and scientific industry, and should be able to make sure coordination between end customer and office departments as well. You should be able to answer each calls and emails, and you should be able to maintain records of inwards and outwards. I have included the official address details here. You can check with that, and you can contact on the given phone number. The contact number is 0959586137. Next, there is a job openings for Artgami Creative Marketing Private Limited. They are looking for back office coordinator. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You can see there is a basic information about the company and what are the job requirements. Everything detailed information provided here. You can check with that. And there is also official website address link provided here, that is www.artgrami.com, and you can share your resume at the provided email id, and email id is priyanka@artgrami.net. There is a job openings for V7 Ventures. They are looking for receptionist come admin assistant. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to 10,000 a month. You can check with the given details here. You should be a graduate, should have a good communication skills in English language, Hindi language and Marathi language. You should be able to handle phone calls, and you should be able to reply to all official emails of the organization. You should be able to maintain general files and personal database as well. You should be able to maintain a schedules of appointments, meetings and events of all organization regarding the like everything, each and every meeting, appointments and events as well. You can check with the official address details here. I have included. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 0968959067. Next, there is a job openings for Rohit Velwala Private Limited. They are looking for assistant executive position. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 18,000 a month. If there is basic job description and what are the roles and responsibilities provided here, you can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9175942140. And the basic job role responsibilities are given here. You can check each and everything. If you feel you are fit for this position, you can contact on the given phone number. Next, there is a job openings for IT Cube Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for back office executive position. Salary offered minimum 11,000 to up to 12,000 a month. You should have a good English communication skills, that is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided WhatsApp number if you are interested, and work from home option will be there till lockdown. If there is lockdown at the particular city like Pune, there will be option available, and should have a good personal computer and internet connection, that is mandatory. The contact number is like WhatsApp number is 9970341948. Next, there is a job openings for Fatnagro India Private Limited. They are looking for front desk receptionist. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month, and they are hiring for only female candidates. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. You should have a good experience in front desk or handling if you are experienced, and you should have able to handle walk-in guests. You should be able to calls incoming outgoing calls both, and you should have a knowledge of transferring incoming calls to concerned person or department in the organization. You should have a great communication skills and should have a knowledge of technical bent mind, and you should be able to learn the things on your own with your own responsibility. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9850630488. Next, there is a job openings for Nisarg Nirmiti. They are looking for front office executive position. Salary offered up to 8,000 a month. You can see there is a like you should have knowledge of handling reception desk and filing, billing like this. There is a basic job responsibilities given, presentation, attending calls like that. I have included the official contact address details and contact numbers and email IDs as well. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. You can share your resume at the provided email IDs. Contact numbers are 020242250001 and 8888861488 and 8888861483 and email IDs are nisra@gmiti@gmail.com and one more is enquiry@nisargamiti.com. Next, there is a job opening for the same organization, Nisarga Nirmiti. They are looking for agri-tourism project in charge. Qualification: should have a college of catering passed in first class and should be able to start project in a village and should be able to handle a team of 25 to 50 people, including total responsibilities. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. I have also included the official email ID addresses and contact address is provided here. Contact numbers are 020242250001 and 8888861488 8888861483 and email IDs are nisargmiti@gmail.com and enquiry@nisargnirmiti.com. Next, for the same organization, Nisarg Nirmiti, they are looking for civil draftsman. Should you have a minimum 3 years of experience? Only need to apply who are having knowledge of AutoCAD, 3D Max and SketchUp. Only the candidates who are having minimum 3 years of experience and only who have knowledge of familiarity with the tech tools like AutoCAD, 3D Max, SketchUp, only those are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information and there is also email IDs provided here. Contact numbers are 020242250001 and 8888861488 and 8888861483 and email IDs are nisargnirmiti@gmail.com and enquiry@nisargnirmiti.com. Next, for the same organization, Nisarg Nirmiti, they are looking for driver position. You should be able to drive a car like director's car, should have well-mannered and well-cultured and staying near Padmavati or nearby location, they will be preferred. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 020242250001 and 8888861488 and 8888861483. You can also share your resume at the provided email IDs. Email IDs are nisargnirmiti@gmail.com, enquiry@nisargnirmiti.com, enquiry@nisargnirmiti.com. Next, there is a job openings for site engineer for the organization Nisarg Nirmiti. You should have a degree in civil engineering from recognized institute or university. You should have a minimum 3 years of experience and should have a driving license and own vehicle is mandatory. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. There is also official email IDs provided here. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 020242250001 and 8888861488 and 8888861483 and email IDs are nisargnirmiti@gmail.com and enquiry@nisargnirmiti.com. Next, there is a job openings for office girl or boy for the organization Nisarg Nirmiti. Should you have a minimum 2 years of experience in relevant field? You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. There is also official email IDs included here. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 020242250001 and 8888861488 and 8888861483 and email IDs are nisargnirmiti@gmail.com and enquiry@nisargnirmiti.com. There is a job openings for Apple Tree Hospitality. They are looking for data entry operator, back office. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 18,000 a month. You should have a knowledge of English and you should have a knowledge of like data entry and sales call management, inventory management. I have included the official address details here. You can check with that. And contact number is 098603677777. Next, there is a job openings for Gokala Constructions. They are looking for front desk receptionist. Salary offered minimum 13,000 to up to 18,000 a month. You should have a good communication skills and you should have a good presentation skills. You should be able to handle admin activities and you should be able to handle calls of the organization. I have included the official address details here. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 020254309999. Next, there is a job openings for DNX Cogo India Private Limited. They are looking for female receptionist position, salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 9,000 a month. You should have a only female candidates are eligible for the job role, and you can see you should have a smart and dynamic candidate. You should have a knowledge of English, Hindi and Marathi languages, both spoken and written skills. You should have knowledge of computers, and you should be able to maintain emails of the organization. You should be able to maintain telephone like calls as well. Minimum qualification is HSC, and I have included the official address details and contact numbers, email ID as well. Contact numbers are 02065001 or 02065001 and mobile number is 83909 and email ID is customercare@dnxindia.com. Next, there is a job openings for NK Instruments at Controls Private Limited. They are looking for front desk receptionist position, salary offered up to 12,000 a month. Job responsibility details clearly given here. You can check with that. You should have a good communication skills and you should be able to handle phone calls and in return as well. You should have knowledge of Microsoft Office and you should be able to handle the computer activities as well. You can check with the job responsibility details here. You can check with that. The contact number is 9822035452. Next, there is a job openings for iSoftware Private Limited. They are looking for front desk receptionist position. Salary offered minimum 7,000 to up to 10,000 a month. You should have knowledge of Marathi and Hindi languages. You should have knowledge of computers. You should have a presentation skills. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. Freshers also eligible. Minimum qualification is 10th pass. You should be able to guide the customers who are walking into the office to the respective departments. I have included the official address details here. You can check with that, and contact number is 02067903 You can contact on the given phone number for further details and information. Next, there is a job openings for the Ayurvedic Thyroid Clinic. They are looking for receptionist or administrative assistant position. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month. There is job description details provided here, responsibilities provided here. You can check with that. You should have a good communication skills and knowledge of computers is mandatory. I have included the official address details here. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 0976400141. Next, there is a job opening for Libraries Healthcare. They are looking for front desk receptionist. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 18,000 per month. You should have a good experience in handling front desk receptionist position and you should have a knowledge of English speaking. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. I've also included the official address details. Contact number is 020266332223. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Pune location as early as possible. I will release a video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings. And thank you so much for your love and support. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Have a great day.